Hi everyone. In this session I am going to present you how we can create multiple data frames, and after creating the data frames how we can concatenate the multiple data frames. So without wasting your time, let me navigate towards create a new Python file, and let me specify the name of this file as concat.py, and after that I just need to import pandas as pt, which will be helping for creating the data frame. And here I can specify the df1 is equal to pt dot data frame, and after that I just need to specify the parenthesis, and then I need to specify my column name. So here I can specify in single quotes here as the name of the column. The first name of the column is, I just specify here the X, and after that I just need to specify the values of X. I can specify here the 1 and 2, and after that I just need to specify the another column name, and here I can specify as the column name as Y, and here I also need to specify the value for column Y, and here after specifying these values I just need to wrap up my data frame, and then I just need to click here, and after that I just need to create another data frame. So this time I just need to copy here again. Sorry, let me copy, and here df2 I can specify, and here I can specify the name of the column again, the X, but here I am going to change the value as 5, and here I can specify the another value as a 6, and then I can also specify changing the value here as the 7, and then here 8. So now you are observing that we have successfully created the two different data frames. Now this is the time we need to concatenate these two data frames together and present them in our console window. So how we can concatenate them? So just write down the variable name as concat underscore df is equal to pt dot, and here we need to specify the function name as concatenate. So you can see the list of functions will be presenting in front of us, and we need to pick the one which the name is appearing in front of us, the concatenate. And after that I just need to specify the parenthesis which will be inside this function we need to specify, and then we need to call the data frame 1 and the data frame 2. And now after specify this I need to print my data frame, and again you need to specify your variable name and then press enter. After doing that you just need to control S and navigate towards your terminal, new terminal, and here you just need to specify the Python and the name of the file dot concatenate concat.py, and this is how nicely output will be presenting in front of us, which will be helping to presenting the required information. As if you observe here in your console window that in the first data frame we are getting the column X value 1 and 2, and in the second data frame after concatenating we also getting the value 5 and 6, which will be presenting in front of us 1 2 5 6. So what the outcome basically presenting us, this basically concatenating the two different data sets now, and we are getting the concatenate information in a complete data frame which will be presenting in this variable concatenate data frame. So I hope that you really understand about the concept of concatenating the multiple data frame